You know, flipping is a very entertaining sport. It's a very entertaining art, but it's also a very misunderstood art. Sometimes people associate that with martial arts. Sometimes people associate that with just kind of a violent aspect of it, like getting cut. But when people really get to learn what you're trying to do and that there's actual sport and a competitive and an innovative aspect to flipping, they warm up to it. I respect it a ton. I think it's very vital. History and foundation is extremely important in any kind of sport, in any kind of culture or art. So I feel it plays a tremendous role. Because the other, I guess, story or history that I hear about in regard to the Balisong is that it was French and used so people, fishermen could use it. But that's like a purely application-driven purpose for a Balisong, whereas the Philippines is like pure culture. It's about style. It's about function and flash and speed and coordination. Much of which relates to what we do as flippers and Balisong manipulators. So I think it's tremendous to know where the origins come from, and really it might be historically how people flip, but again, even today there's people who mimic that style and they win. Like, they're really respected. That style is still a tremendously respected style in flipping even today.